Welcome to the Prysmian Daily News Update. This is your go-to update for the most relevant and impactful news about us and our industry. As of July 24th, today's news highlights significant developments in U.S. trade policies and military actions in the Middle East, alongside evolving trends in energy and technology sectors. The U.S. government has reinstated tariffs ranging from 10% to 12.5% on imports from around 60 economies as part of an effort by President Trump to reinforce previous tariff structures. This action, aimed at combating forced labor in supply chains, affects goods from major partners including Mexico, the UK, Canada, and India. The tariffs are part of a response to an investigation into the practices of these nations and include exemptions for goods that are not producible in the U.S. or would disrupt the economy significantly. This move has sparked criticism and concerns from various Asian nations, which have described the tariffs as unjustified and baseless. Turning to market updates, NextEra Energy reported a substantial second-quarter profit driven by increasing power demands from data centers, highlighting a trend where utilities are investing significantly to expand electricity generation and improve transmission systems in response to surging technological power requirements. On another note, Verizon announced a $1 billion deal with Google for fiber connectivity for data centers and raised its annual profit forecast, positioning itself advantageously as demand for high-capacity connectivity grows. In global scenarios, the energy landscape remains dynamic as China plans to boost wind and solar power generation by 53% over the next 5 years, establishing binding targets aimed at increasing renewable sources' reliability during peak demand periods. This ambitious plan reflects China's commitment to transition towards more sustainable energy infrastructure and includes significant objectives for hydropower and green hydrogen production. On the international front, U.S. military action against Iran escalated, with strikes reported across the country following President Trump's threats of major military punishment for attacks on Saudi oil tankers. This situation has raised global oil prices, reflecting fears of further disruptions in critical shipping routes. Finally, the upcoming meeting between U.S. President Trump and Ukrainian President Zelenskiy is anticipated to focus on peace proposal discussions in the ongoing conflict with Russia, which may signal a potential shift in diplomatic strategies. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.